How to connect and use Trendsi with Shopify. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect and use Trendsi with Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their online stores with ease, in which it offers a subscription-based service that provides users with a range of tools and features necessary of selling products online, including customizable store templates, payment processing, inventory management, and marketing solutions. And Shopify supports various sales channels, allowing merchants to sell not only through their online storefronts, but also via social media, marketplaces, and in person through its point-of-sale system. And now to create an account, you could start clicking the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner, in which upon signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here, where you can start navigating some other options on the left side panel. We have here Home, Products, Customers, Content, Analytics, and many more. And to start connecting Trendsi, all you need to do is simply click this Add Apps button on the left side panel, and it will show you on this pop-up window. So just scroll down and click Shopify App Store below. And after that, from here, it will show you some other application that you can install, but go to the search bar and kindly enter or search Trendsi. Now it will show you in here all of the results below, so just click this one, Trendsi Fashion Dropshipping, in here. But as you can see, this app isn't compatible with your store, and because they only sell in USD, so to change that or to make it compatible, just go back to this page right here and go to the settings option below. Now as you can see under this general, under store defaults, just change this currency display in here. Change the currency and make it into USD. Then just click the save button below to proceed. And after that, if you go back on this page right here and refresh this page, it will show us that it is now currently compatible and we can start installing this application by clicking this install button right here. Then we will be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that we need to do is simply click the install again button in here, in order to start successfully installing this application or connect to our Shopify store. And upon clicking on it, it will show us in here that we're currently under the Trendsi, and we have now successfully connect our store in here. By clicking this store, we'll automatically be directed on this page, and this indicates that we have now successfully connect our Shopify to this Trendsi. So basically, this Trendsi is an online fashion retailer that specializes in trendy and affordable clothing, accessories, and beauty products, in which from here we can simply choose which kind of products we want to dropship from this store into our online store in Shopify. And as you can see, we have here a variety of options of category that we can choose from, such as women, new in, pre-order, locks, Trendsi, selected, TikTok verified, trending, brand sale, and many more. So let's say we're going to choose this one. However, upon clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed in here, in which it will show us the overview and other product details of this product, including the title or the name of this product, the wholesale cost, and even the MSRP. And the difference between these two is our profit upon dropshipping this to our online store. However, we cannot dropship this to our online store since it needs to have a pre-order. But basically, this is some of the product details that you will get, including the product variations, details, product description, and many more. And since this is a pre-order, we're going to change the product selected in here, and we're going to choose the product that we can dropship in our online store in Shopify. We could also navigate on the top panel some other options of categories in here. While on the left side panel, you can choose either plus size, graphic, tops, dresses, and many more. But let's say we're going to choose under the category in here, and I'm going to select this jewelry and beauty category, and it will show us in here some of the products that we can start dropship to our online store in here. Below, it will show us the corresponding product details, including the price, the media files, or even the picture of this product. And let's say in those products, I'm going to select to dropship this one. By clicking on it, we will be directed on this page where it will show us in here all of the product details about this product, including its title, its dropship cost, and even its MSRP. And the difference between these two will be our profit. You will also see here below the shipping and return policy and any other details upon dropshipping this product. And as you can see, we have here two options, which is to buy a sample. By clicking this one, we can upload a seller certificate or business license in order to purchase from Trendsi. But at this point, I'm going to add this to our store by clicking this Add Store button And from here, just choose the store, which is our Shopify store. And for the collection, I'm going to select here, women's. And upon choosing or filling out all of the required information, including these tags, you can click this Add Store button to proceed. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to load since it is currently adding to our store. And this may take a few minutes. And after that, you can now start viewing this on Shopify by clicking this View on Shopify button right here. Then you will be directed on this page, in which from here it will show you some other product details, including this product description, the title of it that you could also start customizing depending on your likings, the media files in here, in which we have here 4 media files. And for the category, you could also enter here which category it fit. I'm going to enter here jewelry, and upon searching this one, it will show us the jewelry sets, jewelry, trays, and many more. And below for the variants, you could also select these variants. However, at this point, I'm not going to customize some other details in here since it is currently all well. And now to proceed, you could also add here tags on the right side panel, but make sure that the tags that you are also going to enter here is relevant to the product that we're selling or dropshipping in our online store. And if you're not done customizing some of the information in here, you can now proceed by clicking the Save button on the top panel. And after that, we can now start viewing or click this Preview button on the top panel in order to view what the product looks like upon dropshipping in our online store. So as you can see, we're currently under our online store, and below is the product that we just dropship. Then from here, it will show you that all of the details from Trendsi has now been transferred in here. So if you click this women's collection on the top panel, it will show us in here that under this collection, the earrings that we just customized and dropship from Trendsi is currently on this collection. And so let's say we're going to add more additional kind of product we want to dropship. Just go back to this Trendsi and kindly choose which kind of product you want to dropship. And at this point, I'm going to stick under this jewelry. And let's say we're going to choose this one right here. Upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And again, it will show us all of the details about this product, including the name of this product, the dropship cost and MSRP, and the difference between the two is our profit. We also have here different kind of sizes and variations. And now to start dropshipping this to our store, just click this Add to Store button right here. And in this pop-up window, just choose the collection. And after that, click Add to Store button in here. Then just wait for it to be fully added to our store, since this may take a few minutes. And after that, you can now click this View on Shopify button right here in order to see some other details that we can start customizing in our online store or on this Shopify before adding or saving it directly to our online store. We have here the product details. But at this point, as you can see, I'm just going to enter here to change or add the tags in here. And if you're now done, just click the Save button on the top panel to proceed. And after saving this one, just simply click the preview icon or button on the top panel to see what it looks like in our online store. So this is basically what it looks like, in which all of the description and other product details has now been added or transferred here. And if you click this women's collection, it will show you that this ring has now been added in this collection. So overall, that is just basically how you can connect and use Trendsi with Shopify. Thank you.